Hi, I'm Sam Thurgood and welcome to my 2-minute Shavuot video. Rashi tells us that at the giving of the Torah, the Jewish people heard both Zachor and Shamor. Hashem telling us, protect Shabbat, do not violate Shabbat, and remember Shabbat, commemorate and celebrate Shabbat. Which of them did Hashem say first, or how is it that they were said? Rashi tells us they were said at the exact same time, and we heard them both at the exact same time. Similarly, we find V'chol ha'am ro'im et hakolot. The entire nation saw the sounds, specifically referring to the thunder. The entire nation saw the thunder of Mount Sinai. And the Sfat Emet, Rabbi Yudalev Altar of Ger asks, how can it be that we experienced these things on a level above normal human perception? We understand how Hashem can say both Zachor and Shamor at the exact same time. But how can we as human beings hear Zachor and Shamor at the same time? And the answer, he says, is that the Torah lifts us above the level of physical constraints to another realm of perception in which we are able to take these things in. And an example, he says, is that many times we find in the Torah that the Torah uses a language to explain things in a way that we are able to understand. Dibra Torah kalashon b'nei Adam. The Torah spoke in human language. Kedei l'shaber et ha'ozen lishmoa is a phrase that Rashi uses in order to soften the ear, in order to speak to the ear that it would hear. In other words, the Torah takes these sublime, abstract, spiritual truths and relates them into human language so that we can understand it. However, the Sfat Emet says the point is not to remain on this level of human comprehension and perception, but to take these lessons, to understand them, and then to elevate ourselves one step up. To understand, okay, I see that the Torah has translated this into human language so that I can make sense of it. But what if it didn't have to speak in human language? What about this level above language, above human communication and perception? What does that mean? That was the level that we were able to reach at Har Sinai, and to an extent, that is a level that we are all able to reach. To understand the Torah not on our level, but on a level higher than that, closer to the source, closer to Hashem. Wish you all a Chag Sameach and a wonderful and inspiring Shavuot.